Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. And today I'm going to ask you guys a question. I had a thought over the weekend that I want to change up, kind of switch up my Bitcoin strategy. So here's what I'm thinking. Instead of investing to take my profits so basically what I've been doing is I invested roughly about between $500 and $600. And what I did was, when my balance went up past the amount I invested, in other words, when I noticed that I had gains in Bitcoin, I took my profits off the top. Like I just took it off, transferred it to my personal account, and left my invested amount in there. And so I've been doing that for quite some time now, and it has worked out somewhat. Like in the beginning, it was more frequent that I was getting gains off of that, and here recently it's been kind of more stagnant, which of course the Bitcoin market is just up and down constantly. And in case you didn't know, you can invest in Bitcoin through Cash App. That's what you're looking at right now. This is Bitcoin. If you see here, this is Cash App. And if you tap on the Bitcoin symbol at the bottom, it takes you over to the Bitcoin portion where you can invest any amount as little as $1 on up. All right. So as you can see, I have $429.84 of Bitcoin, which is a fractional share of one Bitcoin, which is worth right now $39,600 something. All right. So over the past 24 hours, Bitcoin is starting to go up. It has now reached over 4.5% for the day. So what I'm thinking about doing is, if it goes up another 4 or 5%, I'm thinking about either cashing it all out or about 40% of it out and investing that into different stocks. Or I may cash all of it out and then wait until Bitcoin dips and buy the dip. So what I mean by buy the dip is when the value of Bitcoin goes down, then I will invest, a certain amount. I'm not sure what that would be, and then wait for it to go up to a certain point. And what I would do is set the level that I want to take my profits, and you can set it and forget it in Cash App. You can set the limit where you want to take your profit or your loss. If you're afraid it could go down, you could set it to sell at a point where you don't take a huge loss, or you can set it to take a profit. So that is a major feature that Cash App added. It's huge. I love it. All right, so that's what I'm considering. What do you guys think about that? Comment below if you think that would be a good strategy. That's what I'm considering. Now let's go over here and look at my stocks. All right, so my portfolio is growing there as well. All right, so as you can see here, I have Walmart, Wells Fargo, Tesla, Amazon, and Apple. Okay, so slightly down. Well, of course, Walmart is up today, over 40 cents. And the other ones are slightly down just by a few cents. All right, so overall, I am down about 77 cents for the day. 27 cents. All right, so and I'm just now getting into this, guys. And just so you know, I'm a new stock investor, so I'm sharing my journey with you guys out there. All right, so and I'm doing this. I'm thinking about doing a dollar cost average where I invest a little every day and just kind of leaving it and letting it work its magic over time. I'm in this for the long haul. I'm not gonna be a day trader. I'm gonna do this for the long haul. All right, so definitely a different strategy than totally different than what I'm doing with Bitcoin. So like I said, I may take a portion of Bitcoin and come over here and invest and spread it out, over my stock investments. So, and let's go back over to Bitcoin. So that is that's where I'm at today. So what do you guys think about it? I would love to hear your thoughts on that. And, what are your experiences with investing? Do you do, stocks, crypto, one or the other, both? What are you guys doing out there? Right.